Have you ever heard of the blue sea dragon? No? Well, you're in for a treat. Among the vast variety of marine life, the blue sea dragon or Glaucus atlanticus stands as a marvel of nature. A creature of remarkable beauty and mystery, it is as elusive as it is unique. Often mistaken for a sea slug, this tiny sea creature exhibits a vibrant shade of blue that is nothing short of mesmerizing. But it's not just the appearance that sets it apart. The blue sea dragon is a creature full of surprises, teeming with secrets waiting to be unraveled. In this exploration, we will journey into the world of this extraordinary marine creature. We will delve into its physical characteristics, habitat, feeding behavior, and life cycle. We'll also touch on its interactions with humans and its significance in mythology and culture. Now let's dive in and get to know our blue sea dragon a bit better, shall we? So what exactly is the blue sea dragon? Well, the blue sea dragon, also known as Glaucus atlanticus, is a fascinating creature of the sea. Resembling a mythical dragon, it exhibits an extraordinary blend of beauty and intrigue. Its body is elongated, tapering to a point, and is adorned with 3 pairs of wing-like appendages. The vibrant blue coloration, a stunning spectacle, serves a dual purpose, not just for allure, but also for camouflage in the blue waters. But don't let its delicate appearance fool you. This sea creature is as tough as they come. Measuring around 3 centimeters long, it packs a lot in its tiny frame. Its body structure is unique, with a silver-gray belly and a dark blue back, a classic example of countershading designed to fool predators and prey alike. And where can we find these stunning creatures? Let's find out! The blue sea dragon isn't found just anywhere. This captivating creature, also known as Glaucus atlanticus, has a rather particular taste when it comes to choosing its home. It prefers the warm, tropical oceans and is often spotted in the waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. However, it's not uncommon to find them drifting across the surface of the Atlantic as well. Their preference for warm waters is not just about comfort. The blue sea dragon's home needs to be abundant with its favorite food, the Portuguese man-o'-war, and other venomous cnidarians. This unique diet preference means that you'll often find them in regions where these creatures are prevalent. Interestingly, they're not your typical bottom dwellers. Instead, they spend their lives upside down, drifting on the surface of the sea, blending flawlessly with the blue of the ocean and the sky. A perfect camouflage. So, we know where they live, but what do they eat? Feeding time in the ocean can be quite an adventure, especially for the blue sea dragon. This marine creature has a rather peculiar diet. It feeds almost exclusively on the venomous Portuguese man-o'-war jellyfish. Yes, you heard that right. These tiny sea dragons have evolved to become immune to the deadly toxins of these jellyfish. How do they do it, you ask? Well, the blue sea dragon uses its claw-like serrata to grasp onto the tentacles of the man-o'-war. It then nibbles away, consuming the entire creature, toxins and all. The toxins are not digested, but stored and concentrated for their own protection. Quite the clever survival strategy, wouldn't you say? And that's not all. When food is scarce, these critters are known to resort to cannibalism, feeding on their own kind. A bit brutal, but it's a tough world out there in the deep blue. Now that we know what they eat, let's talk about how they reproduce. The reproductive cycle of the blue sea dragon is as unique as the creature itself. These captivating sea creatures are hermaphrodites, meaning each individual possesses both male and female reproductive organs. This remarkable trait allows them to mate with any other member of their species they encounter in the vast ocean depths. Their mating ritual is a delicate dance where 2 blue sea dragons intertwine their bodies and exchange sperm. After this exchange, both creatures lay eggs, spreading them on floating sea debris or kelp to develop and hatch. This strategy increases the chances of survival for their young in the unpredictable marine environment. The life cycle of the blue sea dragon is equally intriguing. After hatching, the tiny, transparent hatchlings drift in the ocean currents, growing and developing into the mesmerizingly beautiful and enigmatic creatures we know and admire. This journey from a microscopic egg to a full-grown blue sea dragon is truly an incredible transformation. So they have a unique way of reproducing, but what about their defense mechanisms? In the vast ocean, the blue sea dragon has some interesting ways of protecting itself. When you're as small and delicate as this creature, it's crucial to have a few tricks up your sleeve to fend off potential threats. Now you might be wondering, what could possibly threaten a creature as beautiful as the blue sea dragon? Well, larger marine predators, such as fish and birds, pose a significant risk. The blue sea dragon's primary defense is its stunning, almost ethereal appearance. With its vibrant blue and silver hues, it mimics the surface of the ocean, making it incredibly difficult for predators to spot. But that's not all. The blue sea dragon also practices kleptocnidism, a fancy term meaning it steals the stinging cells from its prey, the Portuguese man-o'-war, and repurposes them for its own defense. It's a pretty ingenious strategy, wouldn't you agree? We've learned so much about the blue sea dragon, but how does it interact with us humans? The interaction between the blue sea dragon and humans is both interesting and impactful. Let's start with the question that's probably on everyone's mind. Are blue sea dragons dangerous to humans? The answer is no. Despite their alien-like appearance and vibrant colors, blue sea dragons are not harmful to humans. They don't have teeth, so they can't bite. Their main form of defense is their bright blue coloring, which camouflages them against the sea and its predators. While they may not pose a danger, they certainly have had an impact on human culture. The blue sea dragon, with its ethereal beauty, has found its way into various forms of art and literature, often symbolizing mystery, depth, and the unknown. They've also been the subject of numerous myths and legends, with tales spinning around their mesmerizing appearance and elusive nature. Is the blue sea dragon endangered, you wonder? Well, it's hard to say. They are difficult to study due to their small size and deep-sea habitat. However, like many marine creatures, they are threatened by pollution, particularly plastic waste, which they often mistake for their preferred food. The deadly Portuguese man-o'-war. So where can one find these fascinating creatures? Blue sea dragons are native to the waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, particularly around Australia and South Africa. But remember, they're not easy to spot due to their small size and excellent camouflage. In conclusion, while they may not play a direct role in our daily lives, blue sea dragons have a subtle yet profound influence on our culture and imagination. Their existence is a reminder of the vast and unexplored mysteries that lie beneath the sea. Their survival, however, is intrinsically linked to our actions and our commitment to protecting the oceans. So there you have it. All you ever wanted to know about the mysterious blue sea dragon. We've uncovered the secrets of the blue sea dragon, a truly unique creature of the deep. This enigmatic marine species, with its ethereal beauty and fascinating characteristics, has certainly piqued our curiosity. We've delved into its physical features, shedding light on its unique appearance that's not just for show, but also serves as a form of protection. We've navigated through the natural habitats of the blue sea dragon, learning about their preferences and distribution. We've also explored their feeding behavior, gaining insight into their diet that primarily consists of dangerous marine creatures. The life cycle and reproductive habits of these sea dragons have showcased the complexity of their existence, while their defense mechanisms have revealed their resilience in the face of predators. The interactions between blue sea dragons and humans, along with their cultural significance, have been both intriguing and enlightening. We've answered your burning questions about their potential danger to humans' lifespan and conservation status. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of the blue sea dragon. Until next time, keep exploring.